Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your keyboard list on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So go to your settings guys, and you want to scroll all the way down to general management, and from here you will find keyboard list and default here within the list. You can tap on that, and from here you will see under all, you will see the Samsung. If you're using a Samsung phone, you will see the Samsung keyboard. You will see the Google voice typing as well. And if you have, for example, Gboard installed, you will also see that as well. If you don't have Gboard, you can easily search for the Gboard on the Play Store and download it. And once you install that, you will have that option here. Now to change whichever keyboard you want to first ensure that you enable that. So for example, Gboard, if I click here, I will not able to see the Gboard here. It will show me something else. And if I want to enable it, I can simply toggle it on, then click on OK, and it will show me here on the phone. So I can simply go back to select default again, and I will have the Gboard enabled so I can switch to it. And this is how you can easily find your keyboard list on your Samsung Galaxy phone, guys.